What tattoos screams, I have no creativity? 1. I have 2 flying birds on my ankle lol. I feel like I belong to this category. 2. Saw a young guy with I'm different on his upper arm. 3. Live, laugh, love, usually on a foot, ankle, or side of the torso. 4. The lion, clock, or rose tattoo. For UK boys, half of the population has it. I'm all for your body, your rules, but come on, man. Put at least an ounce of creativity into it. 5. My friend once told me, got a tattoo. We live in Tennessee, so I jokingly said, is it a skull with a rebel flag that says don't tread on me somewhere? He lifted his sleeve to show me and said, yes it is. 6. Every man from Essex that wears those dumbass tight tops and trousers has a sleeve that has a melting clock. So mysterious. 7. Remember the mustache tattoos that everyone was getting on the side of their fingers? What happened to those people? 8. Anything copied from or inspired by the Joker and Harley Quinn in Suicide Squad.